Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of OctaFX for 2025. If you're exploring Forex trading platforms, OctaFX is one that's been making waves, but like any service, it has its highs and lows. Let's break it down step by step so you can decide if it's right for you. First off, what is OctaFX? It's an online Forex and CFD broker that offers trading in currencies, commodities, indices, and stocks. Launched in 2011, it's popular for its global reach and user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced traders. Now, let's talk about the pros. One of the biggest advantages is the low spreads, which can save you money on trades, especially in volatile markets. OctaFX also boasts a variety of account types, including Islamic accounts for swap-free trading, catering to diverse needs. Their mobile app is intuitive and packed with features, allowing you to trade on the go. Plus, they offer generous bonuses for new users and have responsive customer support available 24/7. On the flip side, there are some cons to consider. OctaFX operates under various regulators, but it's not available in all countries, which might limit accessibility. Withdrawal fees can be a hassle, and some users report slower processing times for certain payment methods. Additionally, while the platform is easy to use, it lacks in-depth educational resources, which could be a drawback for newcomers. High leverage options are tempting but come with significant risk, so proceed with caution. In conclusion, OctaFX is a solid choice for those seeking a straightforward trading experience with competitive costs, but weigh the pros against the potential downsides, especially regarding regulations and fees. Always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance. If you're thinking about signing up, check the latest updates for 2025. Thanks for watching, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop your questions in the comments below.